The first topic is Raspberry Pi high quality camera opens. Teeny super cheap Raspberry Pi computer have always been greater great of do it yourself projects but with the addition of a new high quality camera this week they are becoming a better function for a projects like home security and model monitoring background wildlife. The editor 8 megapixel camera option was nothing special, but the news $15 Raspberry Pi high quality camera uses a 12 megapixel Sony IMX 477 image sensor with more than twice, twice the light gathering area for battery image quality. You have to buy less sparingly, such as the $25 6 or $50 16 models, but it uses a standard C and CS mountless from security cameras for more options. As with the Raspberry Pi itself, there is no shorting of possible projects. They are not for everybody, but are but for getting a creative, learning how thinkings work, and getting some real world hardware and software engineering skills. Raspberry Pi computer can be great. Here are some ideas, details in the accompanying Raspberry Pi camera guide. Available as a book or a free download. A time lapse cameras that takes a periodic image that can later be converted into a video so you speed up slowly really world events like floors blooming or extinguishing a black a backend wildlife camera that uses a Google image processing to try to identify what is in a video and that automatically tweets a clip. A high quality camera is high quality speed camera that shoots a video at 12 120 fps and that is triggered when something breaks an infrared wave. A stop motion cameras for making a setup by setup animations. A set SPY camera activated by an infrared light motion detector. An infrared bed bath camera to sample on event domestic life domestic life. Some people are already working on projects like making a Raspberry Pi handy camera, attaching perform attaching professional SLR cameras lens and streaming background based video to YouTube. Another idea, an automatic turbid third game scanner to top end Raspberry Pi computers costs $55. The current Raspberry Pi 4 models retail for about $35 for a model with 2 GB memory and $15 4 GB thought. There are other order and cheaper alternative. They are brave circle boards. But about the size of a credit card powered by a 1.5 gigahertz quad core Broadcom BCM 2711 processor and accompanied by useful electronics for USB port 2 minutes HDMI ports for connecting displays and SD cards slots for storage and internet jack, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The topics the topically the topical run the Raspberry version of Lens. Cases powerful specific keyboards, music, MIC, and other accessories. Accessories cost extra. You can also add a variety of hat device attached on top, like sensor buttons, LEDs, as other grades. The computer are designed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, a UK non-profit that works to bring computing in the lives students other might not avail, and 3D prints and CAD speedons and 30 million Raspberry Pi computers have been installed. And second topic is 7 things your Android phone do, and that will make iPhone users the never ending debate between Android phone and iOS owners regarding which platform is better. Feels like it will never be trial sitting. Both sides have their share of wide talking points ranging from security and encapsulations for iPhones users to customization and Google Assistant powers on the Android side. Right now, I want to highlight some of Android's strengths that iOS just cannot do yet. From you are being able to set default apps and use more than one app at a time, being able to completely customize the look your phone. Here are my favorite things Android users can do that people with iPhones can only dreams of. Use the apps you want to, not the apps Google wants you to use. The options set Gmail as the default Gmail app on iPhone is something iOS users have been asking Apple to add for years. Even though Apple added the option to delete its own apps, iOS you still cannot still default app. It is tracking real. Android on the other hand, let's you prefix prefix are upper as your default browser interest instead of Google Chrome, or set Google is a messages app has your text messaging app choice to take advantages of RSC. Google is recently released chart features that can add of a lot like Apple Image. It is not hard to see which apps have been labeled as a default on on your Android device. Open settings app and to apps notification default apps. To change the default, select the app category. Search as a phone app, browser app, and Chrome from options. Google Assistant. iPhone uses Siri. iPhone uses Serial, but Android gives you Google Assistant. Google Assistant is much more is much more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Any doubts in comment section? Mention.